Behind this 1790s farmhouse is the original carriage shed and one of my favorite structures on this old farmstead. This vernacular carriage barn is like, I don't know, an American painting or just a beautiful photograph. It's one of the most untouched structures in Essex, New York. Just look at that original early door and transom light. It's a lucky survivor. This video is about me and my buddy Yaglou repairing a broken roof rafter and keeping the barn's character intact. So Pete's taking these clapboards down here because above here there's a rafter. I'll go up there now. I just de-nailed it with a sawzall because we're gonna have to support that beam, and I'll show you. Go up the stairs here. These rickety old stairs. And I just took a sawzall and I cut all the nails out. This piece of wood here, just get this up like this, and then put the sawzall behind it and get all the nails so we can take this out. And this is where the tree fell and damaged the rafter, and then water leaked in and damaged the top plate. So we're going to replace that rafter.
So jack in there, just give it a little bit of space to move. And I think we'll be able to pound that baby up in there and it'll settle in just nicely.
We're up in the carriage shed here, and this is all ratting, as you can see, and that sill's all ratting too. And we're talking...
We're tight.
Everything else. Now Pete says that's tighter than something. Bullfrog's ass in springtime, I think is what he said.
We have to take a little off of this corner,
But
I think.
we're trying to put that there to stabilize this, so we have some strength there.
Yeah,
Because there's nothing here and there's nothing there, but that...
We should string line the bottom of this beam to see if it's dropped any right here.
Since when though? Since like we started jacking?
Because that corner to this corner should be a straight line.
All right, let's do it. Where's the string line? I'll go get it. Yeah. So we put the jack under to raise this thing. I got the string line, but we forgot to do that. We're just gonna go for it. Ain't gonna make a difference if it's straight or not, because you ain't gonna straight it. And that's a nice big trumpet-based screw jack there. Who's that? Mine or yours?
That's mine.
That's yours. All right, you putting this in?
No, I want to shave off a little bit of this top corner here.
Okay.
I cut it to angle and it's a little tight, so it's only hitting right here. It's just a little bit off. So
We're a little high on that edge, so he's going to take a little bit off.
Going in, that's the tight one.
Yeah.
Which makes sense according to that way a square, and it also makes sense according to this way a square.
So that much you got to take off.
But if you square it up from the back, it would probably be pretty close to right on. No, it's too high. Yeah. We're getting a happy medium, an unsquared can. So,
Now you took too much off. Huh? There you go. That's looking good.
okay.
Me and Pete just humped this big old beam up. We're gonna put it in here. We took that rafter out, as you can see. I just hope this thing holds so we don't fall down through. A lot of rat there. Just because there's a tree fell right here once and broke. We're putting that in right there. Still struggling with this piece. We put it up like twice. Measure it one more time.
Third time's a charm.
Down there, kind of precarious. It's because Pete tried to be Superman and put it up there by himself, and he fell right there. I was right down there. I could have helped him, no problem.
Yeah.
Ain't gonna work, is it? What do we need? Big sledgehammer. We got her in, baby! Or Betsy. Too tight. There we go. Oh yeah. Look at that.
Now,
What do you think, Pete?
It's time to get rid of all these nails. Can.
All right, am I free to go?
Well, wait, when we get that rafter, we'll both
Yep.
try to get that in right
Okay.
now.
Yeah, I'm holding this vertical. If he's gonna chainsaw, I do have my safety glasses on. Hope he doesn't hit a nail.
Alright.
This is gonna be our tongue for the rafter and the carriage shed right there. All set with me? Alright. This is Pete's car, man.
He tries to. No, actually, Dad probably
Trying to
wrote
hand me
that.
something. 420. Show him the door handle, Pete. This is the door. There's the door handle. It's bungee corded out. He has no back window, so all the chips from his cutting comes all through the car and just, you know, goes everywhere. This car is something else. I don't think a cop would even want to search this. Catch something.
Hey, whenever they pull me over and they start searching, I tell them, hey, I hope you had your shots. Had your shots yet, officer?
Oh, wish I could show my mom this, but I don't think she'd approve.
Thank you, Mom. Correct one.
What do you think,
That
Eric?
hard day with Willie. That long drive home.
Oh, Lord. All right, I gotta turn this off.
The tongue on this was only 3 inches, so we had to cut into the meat of it to get something to match the other one.
It's a little short, half-inch short, but it's gonna have to do. We're gonna bring this up, so I can't film us carrying it up there. And we're gonna put it in place. Just took that maul, pounded that in. We got it in, believe it or not. Couldn't film it because it's just us two. And
We're already here too far.
far out.
I'm going to trim this up just a half inch.
You mean far out to the backyard?
Yeah, see the way the tip of this is past the
See how hard Pete's breathing?
heavy.
Heavy. Had to slam that baby in. We got it though.
All right, I'm thinking,
We're gonna drill
I
this.
would like to pull it up a little more. Get this cheek tight here to here.
All right.
Because this one supports this rafter. Boy, that should go in an inch or 3/4 of an inch. Hold it. Let's pull this back out because I don't have the room here.
Oh no.
But no, check it out, right here. It's going to come down and rest here. So when this pushes down, it's got a saddle to sit on right here, you know?
Yeah.
And this one sits on this saddle right here. They're interlocking. There's a pinhole.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is push this one back up. We're hanging off about that much. So I'm going to push this back up so we get a good contact here to support this.
It's gonna be hard to do.
It was easy. Everybody was doing it.
If it was easy, everybody would be doing it. All right.
All right, we're going to take this down though, because
That's what we're gonna do.
fuck it, I'll chainsaw that.
He said. Heck with it, he's gonna chainsaw it. Can't believe we haven't fallen through yet, Pete.
What?
I can't believe we haven't fallen through the
Yeah,
floor.
pulling through with that beam, I think we're good.
Yeah. Here he comes. I'm gonna get out of the way. You're just gonna eyeball it? Why didn't you measure it to make sure you didn't take too much off?
Dad, I can't take too much off because if you see up here,
I see what you're saying. Yeah, it won't. It wouldn't matter.
that was hitting this roof. By the time this guy was hitting the other rafter, we'd be pushing the roof up here. I don't care if we don't even touch the roof here because this rafter goes all the way up.
Okay.
You follow my gist?
Yeah, I can follow your gist. Phew, baby. All right, so now we can put it up right here, and we're gonna go up and we're gonna try to pound this baby back somehow. What he's trying to do is back this up a little so that goes up towards that part of the roof. Oh yeah.
It's working a little.
Huh?
It's working a little.
That wouldn't stand in the middle of that. All right.
I think we can do that and call that a day.
So he's worried about that little bit.
I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot.
Okay.
We get some timber locks into this house.
We don't have any timber locks. We ate them all up.
We're gonna get something in temporarily just to hold it.
Well, are we gonna put this peg in?
Drill it out first, but no, I want to get that thing where I want it. Pull that outside board off. I may just decide to slam that up. Because with the metal gone and the outside gone, I may just try to slam that up a little and tighten her up just a hair more if we can. It would be the perfect thing to do.
Yep. This is how he leaves. Just drops his nail bag, his tools, my tools. Just leaves them for the next day. But it's pretty amazing. Even his hammer's up there. But it's pretty amazing. We did that. Got that in. And got this in. We haven't we didn't peg it yet. But
I'm out here. I may need you inside, lifting up on the inside. Just make that notch up at the ridge tight.
okay.
Then I'm gonna drive 2 pins in right here. Anchor this to the beam. Then we're gonna drill out the top hole and put the wood pin in up
We
front.
just put that board there just for extra strength, and we're putting in with galvies, 6-inch galvies, or what? 8 penny galvies?
Your 20s.
20 penny. And then I just drilled that hole there, going through.
Yeah.
And I am going to take this old pin, take it out of here, and I'm going to stuff it in there. So then
From this side though.
it comes in from the other side, so we're like that. It's tight, that's for sure. We got it in. The pin is through. We got one rafter in place. We got it hammered in all the way there. Got the anti-spread on, the post on, the support to the post. Now what, Pete?
Now it's time to push this building around like a big bully.
Push this building around like a big bully. Oh boy.
Yeah.